No matter where you are or who you're with, I will always, truly, completely love you.
Love is the most beautiful thing that can happen between two people, and the thought of being in love with your best friend is incredible, man. No one can imagine what do you feel. No one. So in this video we are going to talk about top 10 movies in which friends fall in love. So just stick with us for next 5 minutes, because next 5 minutes is very important to you. You will receive best movies ever made. Number 10 definitely maybe is a 2008 romantic drama written and directed by Adam Brooks. The film follows the life of political consultant 38-year-old Will Hayes, who admits a divorce trial with his soon-to-be ex-wife and must explain his daughter. He narrates the story of his own love life to his daughter by changing the names of the girl and the woman he encountered, and in the end Will realize that he is in love with his best friend Emily. And trust me, the climax of the movie is incredible and you will fall in love with the climax, man. So just go and watch this movie.
What is it?
You.
Number 9. The Ugly Truth. When a young man believes when dealing with art of man and woman are swallowed dramatic and superficial, meets another who has strong trust in love, the story never is the same. The Ugly Truth is a story of TV star Mike Chadwin, who claims to know all the things about the same called love, and attempts to put Abby, another TV producer who trusts in love, from her bottom of the heart. Eventually, Mike and Abby fall in love, and in the end, they kiss in a hot air balloon in front of national television program. Number 8. Just Friend. In this, Ryan as Chris Brand, a overweighted high school loser. When Chris gathers a courage to reveal his love to Jamie, the girls of his dream, and a super cool cheerleader, she rejected him, saying what? Saying just she wants to be best friend. Dealing with his heartbreak, Chris moves to LA, lose a ton of weight, and transform himself into a selfish, humanizing, and successful person. Accidentally, she meets Jenny, and then what happened? You should watch in this movie. I'm not gonna open up. Number 7. One Day. In this romantic movie, Hathaway played the struggling individual who came from working class. Every year she works to prove something constructs him, while on the other hand, the Dexter Jim is the masterpiece playboy who thinks he has everything figured out. The interesting fact is they are having buddies for more than 20 years. They meet every 15th of July to compare their lives. This movie proves that two different people from two different thoughts, they can still fall in love.
I missed you, Dex.
I screwed up my friendships.
That's not true.
Number 6. Juno. The story is based on between two people, Paul and Juno. Romance may not focus on this film, but it still holds an unconventional love story between these two teenagers. And Paul is going to be father of Juno's unborn child, and if you wanted to feel the emotion of the film, I cannot tell you how I feel after watching this movie. So you should watch this movie if you wanted to feel the emotion.
It's, at time.
You think you're really gonna...
Number 5. Friends with Benefit. In this movie, there are two characters. They are both dealing with their past. By dealing with their past, they meet each other at a work, and they decided to just be a friend. They just wanted to have sex, and they don't want any emotion, any feelings, any jealous feelings, etc, etc. So, and at the end of the movie, they fall in love and they are best friends. So you should watch it if you want.
Time. One last call for alcohol.
That's not Third Eye Blind.
I'm pretty sure that's Third Eye Blind.
Number 4. The Strange Attack. The story of Friends with Benefit and Strange Attack are same, almost same, not completely same. At some points the story are different, the boy fall in love at their first encounter. So you should watch it movie. Both movie are fabulous and you will love both movie. Number 3. Silver Lining Playbook. In this movie you will gonna see these two crazy peoples are crazy for each other. Both are dealing with traumatic events from their past. One is dealing with his husband's death, and another's wife cheated on him. A dancing competition bring their soul together, and they fall in love with each other. And after that, they decided to move on from their past and live a better life together.
I was very depressed after Tommy died.
We don't have to talk about it.
Number 2, Zack and Mary make porno. In this movie, you will gonna see Jack and Mary. They are two best friends from their kindergarten, and they are both living in a apartment together. But they don't have a lot of money. They are from middle class, and they do not have any particular job. They have job, but they cannot earn a lot to pay their rent and electricity bills and etc. So they decided to make a porno together, and what they make, you should watch. Number 1, Love Roses. The story is Rosie and Alex. They are best friends. They fall in love. No, it's not. It's not that easy to fall in love. If it is, then why the heck I am single? This movie is best movie of our list, and I'm gonna leave this as a suspense to you, so you have to watch it. Hey guys, if you like my video, so please subscribe to my channel, because I am making a lot of efforts to give you the best. I'm trying so hard, trying different languages, etc. It hurts to explain, so just subscribe my channel. Whatever you want to do, just do it right now. So see you on my next video.